What it do, man? More gang. It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. So for today's video, I'm just gonna jump right into it. We're doing my ultimate 1 hour clean with me bedroom edition. I will not be talking throughout this video, but as you can see, I started my cleaning at 8:19, and now I'm just going to go ahead and open up the blinds and get me a music playlist going. This video is mainly for some cleaning motivation. It doesn't necessarily have to be you cleaning your bedroom. You can be cleaning any area of your house or your whole entire house. I just want you to sit back, relax, put this on your TV and get some cleaning done, or just sit back and enjoy it. As you can see here, I kind of went over time a bit, but the only thing left that I had to do was wait for my comforter to finish washing and drying. But that wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done, please feel free to comment. I hope you guys had some cleaning motivation. I hope it encouraged you, motivated you to get up and do a little cleaning around your house. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.